In this method, we will see how to draw the hyperbola by using the method through a point of known coordinates. A point will be given whose x and y coordinate will be given. So let us understand this method for drawing the hyperbola by taking an example. Now the example is point P is 40 mm and 30 mm from horizontal and vertical axis respectively. Draw hyperbola through it. So 40 and 30 mm, the coordinates of point P has been given over here, and simply we have to draw the hyperbola. These are the steps which is to be followed for drawing the hyperbola. Now first of all, we will draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. Simply we can say x and y line, and we will mark the origin where x and y intersects as point O, and we will locate this point P whose coordinates 40 and 30 mm has been given. So 30 mm we have to take from a vertical line, and 40 mm we have to take from the horizontal as per the question. So we have located point P, and as we know, through a the method is through a point of known coordinates. That means what? The hyperbola will pass through this point P. So what we have done, we have located one point for drawing the hyperbola. This 40 mm line should be divided in 4 equal parts, and we have divided this 30 mm line in 3 equal parts. Now why we have divided in 3 and 4? Because we have taken 10 millimeter to divide this 30 mm and 40 mm. We can go for more than 4 points also, 4 equal parts. We can divide in 8 equal parts. We can divide this 30 millimeter in 6 equal parts also. That depends on us, but minimum the points should be 3 point and 4 point for tracing the path of hyperbola. Extend the horizontal line and vertical line through this point P. Now the next step is to draw the line through this origin, which will pass through this point 1 up to this horizontal line. Similarly, draw the line from the origin which will pass from point 2 up to this horizontal line. Similarly, point 3. Now similarly for these 2 points also, which will pass through point number 1 up to this vertical line. Similarly, a line from the origin through this point 2 which will pass through up to this vertical line. Now what we will do, we will name this as 1 2 3 as the naming has been done over here, and again 1 and 2 as the naming has been done 1 and 2 over here. Now we will draw vertical line from this point 1 2 and 3, and horizontal line from this point 1 2 and 3. From the point 1 and horizontal line from the point 1 intersects, that gives the point. Similarly, vertical from point 2, horizontal from point 2, that gives the another point. Similarly, vertical from point 3, horizontal from point 3, that gives the another point. Now we will follow the same procedure over here also. Vertical from point number 1, vertical from point number 2, and horizontal from point 1 and 2, that gives the another point. So through these points, our parabola, our hyperbola will pass. Okay, so by using the French curve, we have drawn a smooth curve by passing through these points which have located, as I've already told you, that the hyperbola's one point has been given, means the hyperbola will pass through this point P. So this is how we draw the hyperbola by using this method through a point of known coordinates.